Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you're on Windows 11 24H2, you are of course getting the Patch Tuesday updates because we are the second Tuesday of the month of December 2024. These are to be the last updates of the year, as there's no bug fixing update this month, and of course all will be back to normal in January 2025. Now, what do we have this month? Well, it's a huge Patch Tuesday because it contains a lot of critical flaws, and these are probably already exploited in the wild. So for 24H2, first of all, if you go and check for your updates, you will see that the update for Windows updates on Patch Tuesday will be coming in the form of a cumulative update. That is for version Windows 11 version 24H2, and it's KB5048667. So this contains and fixes a whopping 45 flaws in Windows 11 24H2. But what is extremely important is out of these 45, 9 are critical. So this is pretty important to fix because there's really a lot of flaws in here. So that includes 36 important and 9 critical in Windows 11 24H2. The critical flaws are of course probably exploited in the wild. So they are for the most part the same as Windows 10, which is lightweight directory access protocol, remote code execution. There's a Microsoft message queuing remote code, several remote code executions there. A remote desktop service remote code execution, a Windows local security authority subsystem remote code execution, and well, it adds one more that is Windows 11 24H2 only. That is a Hyper-V remote code execution vulnerability. So this is quite important to fix, as there are some 0 days in there exploited in the wild already, which makes this super important for the month to install on your computer. And once all is installed, when you do the WinVer command to check out what version of Windows you are at, you should have moved to version 26100.2605 on your Windows 11 24H2. So very important to update, guys, because this is how you stay safe on your computer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.